Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful dream catcher keychain, which is made using paper quilling strips and handmade paper beads. And also I have shared how to decorate this using mirrors, how to weave this, and each and every step I have shared in detail. This is a beautiful handmade bead string on which I have added silk tassel, and you can use this as the charm, or you can decorate your purses, mobiles, or you can use this as a keychain. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making my paper beads. For this I'm taking A4 size paper, and from top I am marking at 0.5, 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5 centimeters. Here I am taking 80 GSM craft paper in pink color. Now rotate your sheet, and on another side I am marking at 1 centimeter, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. So in short, we need a triangle long strip so that we can form the bead shape. Now we have to join the corner with our first marking diagonally at 0.5 centimeters, and now we have to just join each point with another side and create the zigzag lines. Now I am cutting one of the triangle strip. Then taking my quilling tool and start rolling it from broader side, and you will automatically have the beautiful bead pattern ready in few seconds. Now secure the end using glue, and immediately I am covering it with lots of glue to make it stiff, sturdy and hard. Allow it to dry completely. So to create string, I have created here 1 pink, 2 yellow and 2 purple color beads with the same process. Now here I am taking one silver jump ring and passing one pink color thread through this. So I have already passed it through the needle, created the knot at the end, and here I am making the loop like this. So it will get attached with the jump ring, and now one by one I'll start adding my handmade beads. Then I am passing through the tassel and again passing through these beads upward. Then when we will reach to the middle part, I am making one knot here, passing the thread in the bottom and just cutting it. Secure it with little bit of glue, and the beautiful handmade bead string is ready. Now starting with making my main dream catcher. For this I am taking half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of tight coils. Now taking one bottle which is having 2.5 cm diameter, and around this I am going to add my tight coil so that we will have nice circular shape. So just add little bit of glue and construct your tight coil ring like this. I'm just showing you quickly, but you have to add glue between each tight coil. So here I have prepared my ring, and now around this I am wrapping 3 strips of purple color in 3 mm. And this is nicely attached. Now to give it nice shape, I am putting my bottle again in the center and allow it to dry completely. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then taking back my pattern which we have created, and around this I am going to stick all the yellow tight coils. So this is completely done, looking very beautiful. The color combination is fabulous. And then adding lots of glue on top of each shape, spread it nicely with brush to make it stiff, sturdy, hard and durable. Allow it to dry completely for a few minutes. Then it's time to weave our pattern. So here I'm taking yellow colored thread. This is the embroidery thread. Just take out from any of the coil, and here I am taking all 6 strands of the thread. From back side add little bit of glue and just secure your thread so that it will not move. And then from the front we have to just start weaving our pattern. So from top just count 5th coil and insert the needle like this. Then taking out my needle from next coil, then take down the needle from the top next coil. So we have to create the cross pattern here. Again take out the needle from next coil and take down to create the cross pattern on the next coil, and we have to repeat this process on all over the circular shape. So you will have beautiful weaved pattern. So here we have completed our pattern and it's looking very beautiful. Now it's time to secure our thread from backside. So just passing it through the previous stitch, creating some knots, cutting excess thread, just add a little bit of glue to secure it and allow it to dry. Like this, and a beautiful dream catcher weaving pattern is ready. From backside I have added some small size mirrors between each stitch so that it will look nice from backside as well. Now it's time to create hangings for our dream catcher. So here I have created this tight coil using one strip of yellow color in 3mm, and we have to create 2 holes from top and from the bottom using any pointed thing. Here I am using my pointed tweezer and passing one silver color jump ring through this. Making one more hole in the bottom and adding one jump ring. Like this. Then here I am taking eye pin, adding one metallic bead through this, then handmade pink color bead, then again metallic bead, and twist your wire from top and create the loop. Then taking one T-pin, adding one metallic bead, yellow color bead, metallic bead, and twist the top wire using plier to create the loop. And this is done. So we need few hangings which is having T-pin in the base, like I have created in purple and yellow, and one I have created using eye pin. The process is same. So for my center hanging I am using pink and purple beads along with my yellow tight coil. So on both sides of the ring I am attaching these 2 bead hangings. And this is done. Now on both sides of the yellow tight coil I am connecting same circular mirror to match with the center pattern. And this is completely done. With the same method I have prepared 2 more small hangings. For this I have used one strip of pink color and yellow bead. Here also one strip of pink color and yellow bead. So center one is bigger and 2 are smaller. Now it's time to connect these hangings with the dream catcher. So taking one jump ring in silver color, passing through the tight coil, any tight coil, random tight coil, and adding the longer hanging through this, secure the jump ring nicely. Now from 4th coil on right side I am attaching my small hanging. Similarly, from 4th tight coil on left side I am adding another small hanging like this. And then exactly on the top center I am attaching my keychain. So putting the silver jump ring again in the center and passing the silver keychain through this. Also attaching the handmade bead string through this, which we have created earlier. Secure all the jump rings nicely. And the super gorgeous dream catcher keychain with the handmade bead string is completely ready, and it's looking very beautiful. You can use this as a back charm or you can use this as keychain. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.